Hello, for this scarf you will need 4 pieces of black and 4 pieces of white yarn. Start by doing a slip knot and chain of 50. Once you have 50 chain, double crochet third chain from the hook at the back chain. 1, 2, 3. One in the next chain, 2 in the next chain, 3. Now we have 3 double crochet, and then in the 4th double crochet, before you end the double crochet, slip stitch with the white yarn, okay, here, and end the double crochet with the white yarn, and then hold the tail here, yarn over, insert in the next chain, and then don't forget to yarn over with the dark yarn. 1 double crochet, and then next, okay, in the back chain, second, third, one, 2, 3, and then in the 4th double crochet you will change with the dark color, and do that until to the end of the row. At the end of the row, this is the last 4th double crochet, okay, and yarn over, finish the with the white color, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a chain with the 2 yarn, make a chain of this both yarn, and then take your white color of yarn, okay, and make a chain of 1 and 2, and then turn your work, okay. So we will skip this first chain because the chain of 2 is considered as a double crochet, so skip the first chain and here, and double crochet on the second chain right here, okay, here, double crochet, because the chain of 2 is considered as a first double crochet, second and third double crochet, and then the fourth double crochet, and we change color. Okay, so this is what it looked like. Our chain of 2 is a double crochet, and then we add 3 double crochet, and continue doing a double crochet, and right when you end at the fourth double crochet, you will change in the other color. At the end of the row, when you have a form of square, slip stitch the other color. When you have like this square, and then chain of 3, 2, 3. Okay, this is the square. Then turn your work. Okay, and yarn over, skip the first chain. Remember, our chain of 3 is considered as a double crochet, so we will skip the first chain right beside the chain of 3. So insert your hook. So for to be easy, count on the last color, 1, 2, 3 here, and do a double crochet there on the second chain. Good. Now we have 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then the third, 4, and change color. I made 54 squares, but if you use a bigger size of yarn and a hook, I think you can finish for like maybe 45 squares. So you have to check, it's up to you how long you want to make for your scarf. Okay, so at the end of the row, when you have your length, when you finish the length of your scarf, this is what you're going to do. You will end with the dark color, yarn over with the dark color, because we will do a outline for the dark color of yarn. Cut the white yarn like this, and then chain of 2, 1, 2, then slip stitch on the base. Okay, right here on the center. Okay, here when you do the double crochet, this is the base here, not on the center, on the base. Here, slip stitch, chain of 2, and slip stitch on the base. Okay, this is the outline for this scarf. Slip stitch, chain of 2, and then slip stitch on the base. Slip stitch. Okay, so continue doing that until to the last row of your scarf, and this is the end of the row. Chain of 2, slip stitch right here, make a chain and cut the yarn and hide the tail inside right here. And then on the other side of the scarf, insert the yarn, chain of 2, and then slip stitch on the base right here, slip stitch, chain of 2, and slip stitch in the base. So continue doing that until you finish your scarf. And that's all for the tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on my Instagram account. And thank you so much for watching. I hope I can see you next time.